So for this video, we will draw and color the character baby Minnie Mouse. Minnie Mouse is a popular character from the Disney franchise, known for her adorable and youthful version of Minnie Mouse. In her baby form, Minnie typically features a softer, more playful design with pastel colors, often seen in infant and toddler-themed products, toys, and clothing. Baby Minnie Mouse is especially popular in nursery decor, baby accessories, and as a character in children's shows or books targeted at very young audiences.
Partner, what'll I